Did you know that over 1 billion people rely on Google Maps every single month? Crazy, right? But here's the thing. How many of you have ever gotten lost, even with Google Maps guiding you? Let's dive into some tips to make sure you never find yourself in that situation again. Today, we're talking about something that affects all of us, mastering Google Maps. Whether you're trying to find your way around town or you're a business owner wanting to boost your visibility, understanding how to use Google Maps effectively is super important. So, let's get right into it. Alright, let's face it, Google Maps is amazing, but it's not perfect. We've all experienced those frustrating moments when the directions seem completely off, right? Maybe you ended up on a road that doesn't exist, or you missed a turn because the map didn't update fast enough. Plus, a lot of folks don't even know about some of the cool features that can transform their navigation experience. It's time to tackle these common issues and really get the most out of Google Maps. Now, let's jump into the good stuff. 10 expert tips that will take your Google Maps game to the next level. 1. Use offline maps. Download maps for offline use. You never know when you might lose signal, and having a backup can save the day. 2. Add stops along your route. Planning a road trip, you can add multiple stops in one go. Just tap on the 3 dots in the search bar and select Add Stop to make your journey more exciting. 3. Explore popular times. If you're heading to a popular restaurant or spot, check out the popular times feature to avoid crowds. No one likes waiting in line. 4. Voice commands. Use voice commands for hands-free navigation. Just say OK Google followed by your destination, and you're good to go. 5. Save your parking location. Always forget where you park. Save your parking spot in the app. It's super handy when you're in a big lot. 6. Use Street View for previews. Want to see what a place looks like before you go? Use Street View to virtually explore your destination. 7. Contribute reviews and photos. Not only does it help others, but adding reviews and photos can boost your local SEO if you're a business owner. 8. Create lists of favorite places. Whether it's restaurants, shops, or sites, create lists in Google Maps to keep track of places you want to visit. 9. Check for alternate routes. Sometimes the quickest route isn't the best. Google Maps often provides alternate routes, so always check those out. 10. Utilize the Send to your phone feature. Found a location on your computer, send it directly to your phone so you can navigate to it easily later. These tips can really enhance your experience and help you navigate with confidence. And here's the game-changing tip I promised. If you want to really boost your business visibility, make sure you claim your Google My Business listing. This way, you can manage how your business appears on Google Maps, respond to reviews, and provide up-to-date information like hours of operation. Trust me, it can drastically improve your chances of being found by potential customers. So, to wrap things up, we covered 10 expert tips to help you master Google Maps. From using offline maps to claiming your business listing, these tools can enhance your navigation experience and boost your business visibility. So, get out there and start using these hacks today. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Google Maps tip? Have any of your own to share? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Until next time, happy navigating.